Flying gun ready. Are you ready, Charge?
No way to losing this one. Anytime you're ready.
Let's do it! Once and for all!
All right, let's go!
I've got news for you, Milo. Marcus never surprised him. He's got a lot of guns.
Great, well, do you have any suggestions?
Yeah, don't get shot. Gun ready, sir. And fire! We've got company.
Let's go!
Look out! No. Take her up.
Oh! Smokes! You told me he only had guns!
What I said was he's never surprised.
Ready, old cannon. Open fire! Fire!
Not a bad idea!
Okay, now things are getting good.
Vinny, hands up! Can't let her reach the top of that shaft! What?
Destroy that vehicle!
Good going,
Piece of cake.
Vinny, new plan! You and me, we're gonna be decoys! Audrey, sweet, climb up underneath that thing and cut her loose!
We're on it!
This is it, guys! Let's go!
All
Don't hold
right,
anything
get
back!
all we've got.
Lieutenant!
I'm up.
Firing at us. Shoot.
You set this thing to sector of femur in 28 seconds.
Let's talk for a song! Covering fire!
Catch me if you can!
Oh no!
End of the line.
Looks like somebody's working overtime.
Good.
Look out! Come on, girl, time's up.
All right, Milo. Any last words? Yeah, I really wish I had a better idea than that.
Say hello to my little friend! We're losing altitude. Lighten the load.
That's it, unless someone wants to jump.
Ladies first.
You asked for it! You said we were in this together! You promised me a percentage!
Next time, get it in writing. Nothing personal.
You.
Hey, for this!
Well, I have to hand it to you. You're a bigger pain in the neck than I would have ever thought.
of me?
I consider myself an even-tempered man. It takes a lot to get under my skin. But congratulations. You just won the solid gold Cupid doll.
Nothing personal.
Tired, Mr. Third? That's a darn shame. 'Cause I'm just getting warmed up.
Impossible.
Thank heaven.